Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if your Windows computer supports Miracast or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'll show you two ways how you can do it. So for the first method, on your computer keyboard just press Win plus R to open the run program, and in the run program just type this command dxdiag. After that you can click on OK or hit enter. Now it will open the DirectX diagnostic tool. Wait for a few seconds. So now here you will see save all information. Just click on it. Now click on save. Now you can close this program. Now just double click on this text file, and now here you will see one option written Miracast. So in my case it's showing available with HTPC. So in some case you might see here available but with no HTPC. That means your PC supports Miracast but it does not support high bandwidth digital content protection. That means you cannot stream protected content such as Netflix. So in my case it's completely supporting. Now for the second method, just right mouse click on the Windows Start menu icon and just select this Windows Terminal Admin. Now just type netsh space wlan space show drivers. So you need to type this command netsh wlan show drivers, and after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now you will see here wireless display supported. So in my case it's showing yes, graphics driver. That means the Miracast is supported in my respective Windows computer. So by using these two methods you can easily find out if your Windows computer supports Miracast or not very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.